Physics Grade 11, Chapter 1 Measurement, Introduction to Physics. Physics is the most fundamental branch of the physical sciences. It provides the basic principles and laws which help us understand the mysteries of other branches of science, such as astronomy, chemistry, geology, biology, and the health sciences. The tools, techniques, and products of physics have transformed our dreams into realities. Think about the world around you. The comforts and pleasures added to our lives are the fruitful results of science, technology, and engineering in everyday life. From the electricity that powers our homes to the smartphones we use to connect with each other, physics is at the heart of it all. Information technology, in particular, has entirely changed the outlook of mankind. The fast means of communication have brought people across the entire world into such close contact that the whole world has become a global village. But how do we achieve these incredible feats? It all starts with observation and measurement. Physics is an experimental science, and the scientific method emphasizes the need for accurate measurement of various measurable physical quantities. That's why this chapter stresses understanding the concept of measuring techniques and recording skills. Every great discovery, every technological leap begins with a precise measurement. It's a powerful thought. For example, computer chips are made from silicon, which is obtained from sand. It is up to us whether we make a sandcastle or a computer out of it. The potential is all around us, waiting to be unlocked through the principles of physics. Join us as we explore the world of measurement and begin our journey into this fascinating subject. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.